The importance of integrated STEM learning. Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM, are four topics of learning which are heavily present in everyday aspects of life and intertwine and support one another. Therefore, it is vital that students have a developed understanding of STEM subjects. Currently, many educators choose to teach STEM subjects in a singular manner, but this contradicts the direct nature of STEM. STEM subjects align with one another. They support, build, and intertwine together. Therefore, STEM subjects should be taught through a teaching approach which integrates many aspects into one activity. This knowledge is an important beginning point. Integrating STEM subjects together into classroom practice also allows students to learn through a real-world manner. Students are able to see how the subjects align with one another. They can see how science and math integrate together in many aspects, and they can see the similarities between technology and engineering and how these are present in day-to-day life. Teaching STEM subjects through an individualized approach doesn't allow students this opportunity. It instead puts a greater workload on students, forcing them to try to understand themselves how these subjects integrate together. Teaching STEM through an integrated approach has also been found to benefit and develop the mental skills of students. Students who have had the chance to engage with STEM curriculum have found to become more proficient problem solvers, better innovators, more self-reliant and more literate with technology, and more logical in their thinking. On top of this, these students have developed a greater interest in math and science because of this integrated approach. A key component which is integral to effective STEM-based practices is the incorporation of project-based learning. Project-based learning comprises of several problems that students need to solve in order to arrive at a solution. Through this engagement, students learn and develop science, technology, engineering, and math concepts, while simultaneously enhancing their higher order thinking and their mental skills. Students completing a project by working in groups is a method that can show the further benefits of project-based learning in STEM classes. This collaboration between students is able to develop communication between peers, build teamwork, and share a large workload, allowing all to be involved. Currently, there is no specific STEM part of the Australian curriculum with content descriptors that encompass science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. This means that for an educator to incorporate STEM elements into an activity, they must be designed by looking at the science, technology, and mathematics aspect of the curriculum. This is not a difficult task, however. For example, Year 3 students creating a boat from different materials and testing to see how many marbles it can hold in a body of water would incorporate various STEM elements. Knowledge and understanding of technology would be explored through students using different materials to make the boats and observing how well they flowed. Mathematics would be explored by students using basic addition and subtraction when adding or taking out marbles. And students' science inquiry skills could be developed, with students making predictions and recording their results of how many marbles their boat held. Creating a box of healthy food or a paper plane to perform a range of tasks or shelter for a small animal are also examples of tasks that students could complete which would integrate a STEM-based curriculum with a project-based learning approach. While there are challenges and difficulties to integrating STEM-based learning into the classroom, the benefits and advantages that STEM learning can bring to students far outweigh this. Teaching science, technology, engineering, and math in an integrated manner has the potential to help improve important mental skills for students, such as their literacy with technology and their ability to solve problems. The use of project-based learning, often associated with STEM, allows students to also collaborate with their classmates, which builds their social skills and improves their ability to work as part of a team. Finally, STEM-based learning allows the subjects of STEM to be taught as they are used in the real world. This in turn enables students to gain real-world experience and see how these subjects align with one another in day-to-day life.